Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about offset function. So offset function basically creates a reference cell and we can move in any direction using the reference cell. First we are going to do what in this exercise? We are going to find out the sum of the highlighted cells. So highlighted cells are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. So we want to find out the sum of these highlighted cells using offset function, right? So first argument in the offset function is reference. Reference is the reference cell that we are going to start from. So we are starting from F6 here, which is 12. So F6 is the reference cell. We are going to start from F6, right? We can start from anywhere. You can start from, for let's say from F4 also, F5 also. You can start from D6 also, that is your choice. It is, but we the rest of the arguments will depend on the reference cell. So as you change your reference cell, your other arguments will also change. How they will change, I'll tell you in a while. So second argument in offset function is rows. Rows is the number of rows that we are going to move. So we want to reach C4 here. We want to reach C4. We want to reach C4, which is 1, because from there we are going to there we are starting with the highlighted cells. So we want to move in the upward direction by 2 rows. This is 1 row, this is 2 row in the upward direction. Okay, so we write minus 2 here. Had we wanted to move in downward direction, it would have been plus 2, but here we are going in upward direction, therefore it is minus 2. अगर एक रो हमें ऊपर जाना होता तो -1 होता, एक रो नीचे जाना होता तो +1 होता. यहाँ पे 2 रो हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं, इसीलिए इट इज -2. Now third argument in offset function is column. Number of columns that you are going to move. Now number of columns are 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns we are going to move and they are in the leftward direction. Okay, in leftward direction, they are in the leftward direction, we will put a minus. अगर rightward में होता तो प्लस लगाते, अगर लेफ्ट में है तो फिर माइनस लगाएंगे. लेफ्ट में है तो फिर हम माइनस लगा रहे हैं और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स हम कितना मूव कर रहे हैं, 3, तो इट बिकम्स -3. ठीक है. नाउ फोर्थ आर्ग्यूमेंट इज हाइट. हाइट इज द हाइट ऑफ द हाईलाइटेड सेल्स. सो हाईलाइटेड सेल की हाइट कितनी है, अगर मैं हाइट देखूं तो इट इज 2 रोज. 2 rows are in highlighted cell. This is 1 row, this is second row. So height is 2. Width would be number of columns that are there in the highlighted cell. तो column कितना है, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So width would be 3. Now this becomes my arguments of the offset function. Now we'll write we'll write the function and we'll find out the sum. So first we write sum because we are going to find out the sum. Then we write offset. Then we put F6 as the reference. Then rows would be -2, column would be -3, then height would be 2 and width would be 3. Bracket close, enter, it gives me 24. Now this is just one exercise in which we are finding out the sum of the highlighted cells. Other exercises of such kind are given in the book. You can always go through the book and read it about it. This is it for this video. Thank you.